Today we are going to learn life cycle of a bird. Do you all know bird? You all know the bird? Where does it fly? Where does it fly? Yeah, see, where does it fly? 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 In the sky. Yeah. See, first it comes on the tree. It lays the eggs. First stage, it lays the eggs. Okay, it lays some eggs. It lays some eggs. Then the eggshell will break. See, in the second stage, break. Right. Break. And the baby bird will come out. See the baby bird. Baby bird. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Yes. See the baby bird. Yay! Come on. The baby bird is out. Clap. The baby bird is out. Baby bird. It can fly. The baby bird can fly. No. The baby bird can fly. No. Why? Why it can't fly? Because it is a small baby, it can't fly. Okay, Kaushik. It is a small baby bird, so that's why it can't fly. Again, the baby bird will become some big. It becomes some big. It can fly high. It can fly very perfectly in the fourth stage. It can fly in the sky. It can fly in the sky. Kaushik, look here. It can fly in the sky. See, now the bird is going to fly very perfectly in the sky. Now the bird is flying. See, yes, in the fourth stage, the bird is going to fly very perfectly. How does the bird fly in the sky? How does the bird fly in the sky? Perfectly. With the help of its wings. With the help of its wings. The bird